Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start. In the past few days, we explored each of the 7 chakras from the energy standpoint. So today and tomorrow, we'll do an overall energetic chakra balancing practice And then next week, we will dive in even deeper, more into the psychological aspect of each chakra. And by the way, as we do our explorations, please let me know what comes up for you. You can do it in the comments, or if you don't want everybody to see your musings, you can write to me directly. That way I can gear our practices toward the specifics that you are experiencing. But right now, let's begin with our energetic chakra balancing. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? Allow your eyes to close gently. Bring your awareness, your focus inside. Begin to release the weight of your body into the earth, growing heavier and heavier with each breath. Feeling the support of the earth beneath you. See if you can experience your breath as a soft breeze blowing through you, growing lighter, more open. And as your body relaxation continues to deepen, we will move into the energy system within the subtle body, your chakras, the 7 wheels of energy that exist along the nerve centers in our physical body. These 7 wheels of energy run from the base of the spine all the way up to the crown of your head. So visualize at the base of your spine a vibrant ball of red light, a swirling vortex of powerful, life-giving energy. Feel the warmth, the vitality of this light as it gently radiates from the base of the spine, traveling now easily and effortlessly through the energy pathways of your body. Your whole body lit from within with this red energy of your first chakra. The ball of lights floats upward, now coming to rest just below the navel, changing its color into a vibrant shade of orange. Visualize this light as it travels through your lower belly, throughout your whole body, releasing any blocks, any resistance it may encounter. Softly flowing like liquid honey, warm and soothing. As the light moves upward a bit, it comes to rest now in the solar plexus, transforming into a warm, radiant ball of golden light, like a small sun. Feel the healing rays of light illuminating your inner body, shimmering golden light radiating to the very core of your being. Gently moving upward, the ball of light begins to change into an emerald forest green, coming to rest at the center of your heart, bathing your heart in soothing, nurturing, revitalizing green light. Feel any emotions you may be holding onto. Release into the earth with each exhale. As you breathe into the center of your heart, feel the light growing brighter, flowing effortlessly from head to toe. Floating up now, the ball of light moves into your throat, becoming a vibrant shade of blue, the color of the sky. Feel the vastness within space and the cells of your body. Feel the openness of the sky, filling your being and resting in the stillness. Take a gentle breath, breathing in the sky blue color, and feel the space and the openness in all of your energy systems. Traveling up from the throat to the center of your forehead, the ball of light becomes a liquid indigo, the color of the night sky. Feel the indigo light cascading down through your inner body, washing away any tension and healing everything it touches. Breathe into this indigo energy, and as it expands, feel your awareness deepen. From your forehead, the ball of light moves upward, resting at the very center at the top of your head, your crown. Here the light becomes beautiful crystal white color. Feel the powerful energy of this white light as it begins to fountain from the top of your head, softly flowing through you and over you. Sparkling beams of light, filling every cell of your body with the highest vibration of healing energy. The white light now forms a bubble around you, holding you in pure energy. Your body feels weightless as you float upward on the wave of energy. Your whole body illuminated from within, peaceful, serene. Your 7 chakras, your energy centers, are now filled with vital life force energy. Feel the sensations as the energy flows freely through you. Gently scan your body once again and notice how you're feeling now after the short practice. What's going on for you right this moment, physically, emotionally, mentally? Has anything changed? How are you? Reconnect with your breath, and whenever you're ready, open your eyes. As you go through your day today, remember that you are not just your physical body. You are so much more. Tune into the energy that you are, the energy that flows through you, from you into the world, from the world into you, and see if this connection changes anything in your day, in the way you approach things. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.